Pictured above are the islands of the southern Pacific Ocean. Together, these countries have a total population of 5.7 million people, which is roughly the same as Wisconsin, all in an area of 550,000 square kilometers.
However, this area is undergoing a transformation from tropical islands to lands that are at risk of sinking into the Pacific Ocean, specifically the island of Tuvalu. This risk is brought on by the rise of sea levels over the last half century.
Removing all the factors which affect short-term sea level fluctuation, scientists found long-term sea level at Tuvalu from 1950 to 2009 rose at the rate of 5.1 millimeters per year. This rate is almost 3 times greater than the global average rise in sea level over that time of 1.8 millimeters per year.
Scientists are overall conflicted on the causes of global sea level rising. However, a few main causes have been predicted. One of these is climate change, which is leading to glacial melting, in turn rising our sea levels. Another factor of sea level rising is thermal expansion. This occurs as the sea temperatures rise, the density decreases, causing expansion in the volume of our seas. One last hypothesized idea, in addition to sea level rising, is called land subsidence. The issue here is when groundwater beneath Tuvalu is removed, the ground compacts and will begin to sink. The graph above shows the sea level rising is uneven, and that the highest levels are around the nation of Tuvalu.
The factors described have social, economic, and environmental impacts on the island of Tuvalu. Almost one half of Tuvalu's population is migrated to the main island, and this migration and resettling has caused overcrowding. Some of the smaller islands around Tuvalu have already been completely abandoned. The main sources of food for the islanders are coconuts and pulaka, which are now in short supply because salt water is ruining the agricultural areas. Constant flooding is restricting travel as runways are flooded and the islands cannot receive proper aid and essential imports. It is predicted that the groundwater will become undrinkable as the salinity increases due to the sea level rise, and the island will eventually be enveloped by seawater, causing the evacuation of the entire population.